This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa.murdock. Updated condo near Virginia Beach oceanfront, beach living with privacy. Open concept living space with laminate flooring. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. 2 bedrooms with full bathrooms, walk-in closets with IKEA storage and shelving. Easy access to highway, located near restaurants, Oceana Naval Base, shopping, beaches, MOCA and more. Available January 1, 2021. Occupied property, contact agent for showing instructions. For more information, review the details below.